Welcome to Molsheim, where the world's most sophisticated hypercar, the Bugatti Chiron, comes to life. It begins with the monocoque, a shell of pure carbon fiber, stronger than steel and light as air.
The heart, an 8.0-liter W16 engine, 1,500 horsepower waiting to be unleashed for the first time.
Precision is non-negotiable. Every single bolt is tracked and tightened to exact specifications.
Transmission, a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox designed to handle immense torque. The rear subframe takes its place, creating the structural cradle for the engine. Stopping power. Carbon ceramic discs that can withstand heat exceeding 1,000 degrees. A nervous system. Over 2 kilometers of wiring and a cooling system that pumps 800 liters per minute. This is the marriage, the moment the driver's capsule meets the powertrain. Only 14 titanium bolts hold this entire beast together against incredible forces.
And radiators are required to keep the W16 cool during high-speed runs.
Before the luxury arrives, we ensure the silence. The cabin is insulated for ultimate comfort.
The cockpit takes shape, a blend of minimalist design and maximum information. Every dial is a jewel, milled from solid aluminum for a timeless mechanical feel. The finest leather from high-altitude cows, where there are no insects to mark the hides. The legendary C-line, a single piece of aluminum that defines the profile of speed. Painting a Chiron takes 3 weeks. Every layer is hand-sanded to a mirror finish.
The bodywork is added. The aerodynamic sculpture of the Chiron is revealed.
Active aerodynamics. This wing provides hundreds of kilograms of downforce.
The gaze of a predator. 8 individual LED projectors illuminate the road ahead.
The red macaron. Solid silver and enamel, the mark of Ettore Bugatti.
Fluid for the beast. The W16 requires 42 liters of oil to operate at peak performance.
Ignition. The W16 breathes for the first time, a roar that shakes the atelier. Testing to the limit. Every Chiron is run at top speed on the dyno before leaving.
Flat for flight. The underbody is as smooth as a wing to manage air pressure. Tires tested at aerospace levels to withstand the forces of 400 kilometers per hour. The light signature. One solid beam of red that defines the rear view. The monsoon test. Ensuring the cabin remains a sanctuary in any weather. The final audit. 6 hours of inspection to ensure 0 defects in the finish. Ready for its owner. A journey of 6 months of hand craftsmanship is complete.
From the workshop to the world, the Bugatti Chiron is born.
1,500 horsepower, 1,600 Newton meters, the absolute peak of ICE technology, unlocking the speed. With the second key, the Chiron becomes a low-drag bullet. Every detail personalized. Every document a piece of history.
Engineering that dances. The Chiron is as agile as it is powerful. A legacy that began in 1909, continuing in the same sacred grounds.
The incomparable. A testament to human ambition and engineering. The heat of performance. where materials are pushed to their physical limits.
Speed that blurs reality. The Chiron exists in a world of its own.
Bugatti Chiron. Form follows performance. The ultimate hypercar is complete. 4 turbos, 2 stages, a relentless surge of power across the entire RPM range. The badge of the beast, proudly displaying the mechanical heart of the legend. Audio perfection. Diamond tweeters for crystal clear sound, even at 400 kilometers per hour. Fueling the fire. High-pressure pumps that can empty a tank in minutes at top speed.
Perfect balance. At these speeds, even a gram of weight makes a difference.
The human touch. Hours of hand stitching for a grip that feels like silk. Sky view. Letting the light in while maintaining the structural rigidity of carbon fiber. Aerodynamic alignment. Every millimeter of air must be managed with care. Modern tech hidden away. Technology that serves the driver without breaking the design.
Thermal stress testing. We push the W16 to its limits before it ever hits the road.
Dynamic cooling. Air is channeled exactly where it's needed, when it's needed.
Titanium strength. Lightweight and heat resistant, designed to handle the W16's fury.
Chassis tuning. Dialing in the perfect geometry for high-speed stability. Welcome ceremony. Every interaction with the Chiron is an event.
The art of the weave. The carbon fibers must align perfectly at the car's center line.
A separate key for a separate world. The key to the 400-kilometer-an-hour club.
Ettore Bugatti's initials. A symbol of engineering royalty for over a century. Protection of a masterpiece. We ensure the car arrives in showroom condition. Interior mood. Night driving becomes a lounge-like experience at speed.
Anchor in the air. The rear wing can provide nearly a ton of downforce.
Birth certificate. Each Chiron is a unique entry into the history of speed.
Lubricating logic. Specialized fluids to handle the fastest shifts in the world.
Everyday usability. A hypercar that can navigate the city with ease.
Millimetric precision. There is no room for error in the assembly of a legend.
Perfectly balanced, ensuring the center of gravity is exactly where it belongs. Forced cooling, managing the intense heat generated by high-speed braking. Tactile control, the connection between the driver and the gearbox. Pure cleanliness. A clean engine is an efficient engine. Digital soul. The lights announce the arrival of something special.
The final name. Named after the legendary racer, Louis Chiron.
The journey begins. From Moltheim to the lucky owner's garage. From a dream to reality. Years of design distilled into one silhouette. Stealth and speed. The Chiron is as refined as it is powerful. The science of speed. Advanced materials pushing the limits of physics. Stopping the wind. The physics of air used to slow down the beast.
a limited legacy. Only 500 will ever exist in this world. A predator of the night. The Chiron's gaze is unmistakable. The key to the impossible. The key to the Bugatti experience.
Century of excellence. The DNA of racing runs through every fiber. Bugatti Chiron. The incomparable. The ultimate achievement in automotive history.